Sharps. These are the most common hand sewing needles. They're medium length, small round eye, sharp point, great for general sewing and piecing fabrics. Embroidery needles. Similar to Sharps, but with a larger eye, perfect for embroidery threads and decorative stitches. Betweens, also known as quilting needles. They're short, sturdy, with a small eye, great for tiny, precise stitches, multiple layers when quilting by hand. Tapestry needles. Large-eyed, blunt tip, designed for cross-stitch, needlepoint, and weaving in yarns without splitting threads. Beading needles. Super thin, long, with a tiny eye, perfect for delicate fabrics, beadwork, or sequins. Chenille needles. Similar to tapestry needles, but with a sharp point. Great for heavy fabrics, wool, or ribbon embroidery. So, that's a quick look at the different types of hand sewing needles, from Sharps to embroidery, quilting, and specialty needles. Each one has its own job, and choosing the right one makes your stitching smoother and your projects easier.